Welcome to another episode of the Wild Scandinavian Cooking. Just a short trip in between. Me and Mark are going to Mexico. We're going hunting in Mexico and fishing. Getting up in the morning and going out on the lake to catch some fishes.
That's a beauty. So we're gonna release it?
Yeah, it's a trophy bass, you know, wanted to make more babies. Keep the lake healthy, right? Thank you for making us happy, huh?
Heading back to the ranch. Can't wait to get out and see if I can get some doves.
We are going hunting for doves. You guys will think doves? Why? It's so delicious and it's the best thing you can hunt this time of the year. I'm looking forward to it.
It's so hot here, unbelievable, but we are out now for doves. After shooting so many doves today, there's nothing better than putting it on the grill. We're gonna make a dove burger with grilled watermelon and a Baja lobster on the top. Thank you guys for having me. It was an amazing trip.
Disgusting.